I travel a lot for work, and that often means long flights and being stuck on a plane for hours. I always hear that sitting is the new smoking and it isn't good for your circulation. Is there anything I can do to help protect myself?
Maintaining healthy blood flow in your extremities is very important, but especially for those who endure long periods of immobility. So to help support vascular health, we created VenoFlow. This powerful dual-action formula combines the nattokinase enzyme with pycnogenol. Together, these ingredients help promote healthy blood flow, vascular function, and the body's natural blood clotting process.
I did some more research on VenoFlow, and I found out that it's a once-daily capsule, it's vegetarian and non-GMO too. All of that makes me feel better. And while I may not be able to avoid those long flights, at least I know I'm moving in the right direction to stay healthy.